Okay.
Dumbledore. Dumbledore.
Ron, you go Ron.
Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley.
Dumbledore. Hermione. No, but I'm not.
What do I say?
Ron.
Weasley. Ron Weasley. Sorry, not so much. It's like Snape Hart. Snape Hart. Snape Hart. It's a pipe bomb.
Oh, then it goes, I found the son of the train. So it's like ball.
Pipe bomb.
Voldemort. No.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Okay, tell them where we are, Tasha.
Where is Amanda Buffy?
No, don't tell them exactly. No.
Did you find them? Okay, we're at the table in a restaurant.
Oh, that's fancy. What kind of restaurant?
Chinese one.
Very nice, very exotic. China is actually exotic.
My bad, I don't know.
Guys.
The China exotic is okay, it's not this big, not exotic.
I don't know. Does exotic not count as like Jamaica?
It depends what your exotic is.
Tasha, exotic's hardly going to be the North Pole.
Well, that could be some person's
Have you
exotic.
ever heard, North Pole is exotic? Taking a video.
Very.
Yeah, palm trees. Oh, I've got a message!
What?
I got a great chat up line for you to try, and any girls or guys you like.
Okay, what is it?
It's like, are your trousers made out of spaceship tires? Because you're out of this world.
Phone in your car too.
Bum, bum, bum.